Hello everyone, in today's session we learn about SQL commands. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is used to communicate with a database. It also used to perform specific tasks, functions and queries. SQL can perform various tasks like create, add, drop, modify the table and set permission for user. Types of SQL commands. There are four types of SQL commands: DDL, DML, DCL, and TCL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language, DML stands for Data Manipulation Language, DCL stands for Data Control Language, and TCL stands for Transaction Control Language. Create, alter, drop, truncate, rename. These commands comes under Data Definition Language. Select, insert, update, delete. These commands comes under data manipulation language. Grant and revoke comes under data control language. Commit, rollback and save point. These commands comes under transaction control language. Let's see one by one. So first one is data definition language. DDL stands for data definition language. DDL changes the structure of the table like creating a table, deleting a table or altering a table. All the all the commands of DDL are auto committed. That means it permanently save all the changes in the database. DDL commands like create, alter, drop and truncate. These commands works on structure of objects. Okay, you can create object like table, procedure, function. You can drop also these objects or modify these objects. So first one is create. Create command is used to create new structure of a table in a database. You can also create objects like procedure, function, trigger by using create command. Syntax: create table, table name in bracket, column 1 data type, comma, column 2 data type, column 3 data type, comma, up to n, end with semicolon. Let's see one example. So we can create student table, okay, using create command. Example: create table student in bracket, student id int, comma, student name varchar, comma, student age int. These are the data types. So student id column data type is integer, student name data type is varchar and student age data type is int. So next is alter. Alter command is used to alter the structure of database. This change could be either to modify the characteristics of an existing attribute or probably to add a new attribute. User can do add, delete or modify task easily. Syntax: to add a new column in a table. Alter table, table name, add column name, data type, end with semicolon. Example: alter table student, add in bracket, address is column name, data type is varchar 20. Next, you can remove column by using alter command. Syntax: alter table, table name, drop column, column name, end with semicolon. Example: alter table student, drop column student age. Okay, using alter you can modify existing column in a table. Syntax: alter table, table name, modify column name and its data type. Example: alter table student, modify student id varchar 5. So you can modify also student id integer to varchar by using alter command. Syntax: rename. To rename a column in a table, you can also change your column name by using alter command. Syntax: alter table, table name, rename column, old column name to new column name, semicolon. Example: alter table student, rename column student ID to roll number, semicolon. Here student ID is old column name and new column name is roll number. Truncate command. Truncate command is used to delete all the rows from the table and free the space containing in the table. Structure of the table still exists. When you use truncate command, all the data in the table deleted, but structure remains exist. Syntax: truncate table, table name, semicolon. Example: truncate table student. Next one is drop command. Drop command is used to delete both the structure and record stored in the tables. When you use drop command, structure and data both will be deleted from the database. Syntax: drop table, table name, semicolon. Example: drop table student, semicolon. Using drop command, you can delete objects like table, structure, view, procedure from database. If you like today's session, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.